What's going on, guys? First of all, I want to say I haven't posted in a while, and I apologize for that. But yeah, this is the CBR. Crazy, right? So this is the latest update on it. I know I haven't done a video in a while for you guys that are interested in the CBR. So I'm doing a fairing swap, as you can tell. As you guys remember, if you've seen the previous video, it was the Falcon or the Phoenix. It was the Phoenix White, and I wasn't too much of a fan on it. Even at that, as you can tell, some of the fairings were kind of beat up. It was just, you can just tell some of the stuff was just really bad shape. So the fairing I went with was the Repsol, the orange and black, and I know it's not all the way put back together yet, but I did put some of the main parts in, as far as the gas tank, the headlights, the front fender, rear fender, and all that's really missing is the pretty much the center cowls. But after that, and the mirrors. But I did also wash it, clean it before I did install it. I went with this fairing just because I think it was I don't know, I liked it out of all the ones they were selling online. And then I bought it, and also bought this fairing from NT Fairings. That's what the website is called. It's not OEM, it is aftermarket from China. So yeah, I mean, it looks pretty good so far, good quality. I haven't ran into too many problems, fitment issues, or anything crazy like that. Yeah, nothing crazy so far. I had one issue here that I couldn't get a pin at, but that's the only one. And I haven't put the center cowls in yet because I don't have all the bolts yet. I'm missing some bolts for it, and I don't want to half-ass it and just have it looking all ugly, missing bolts, and especially when you're going really fast. Because I remember this. I took this bike for like a good ride on the highway. I went probably like on an hour trip around from here. I went down to the Shenandoah Valley, I think they call it, somewhere down 66. But I hit probably like, past 80 for sure. But the left cow came off on me while I was going at least 80 something, 90 something, and it was pretty crazy. The only thing that was holding it back up was the blinkers, the blinker lights. That's the only thing that kept it from, probably hitting another car behind me. It was pretty crazy, which it's just, stuff like that happens from like loose fairings and just, poor installment, which was, I was kind of disappointed. I mean, I knew better. I should never take the bike out, but it was a nice day. I couldn't help it. But this is where I'm at right now. I think she's coming along perfect. Hopefully I don't run into no more fitment issues. That's one of the main concerns with these China fairings. But as far as I know, I haven't had any crazy fitment issues. One thing that I did notice is right here, when it comes down, but I mean, it's black on black. It's really hard to tell. And here, let me get on the other side. You see right here, where is it? Right here, perfect. Nothing crazy. On the other side, that's where it didn't want to stick. That's where I was telling you I kind of like messed up the clip. But I'm gonna see how it goes once I have the rest of the bolts, and stuff, to put it back on. I think it's like some pop out pins or something like that. But once I have all that stuff, I'm gonna see how the fitment actually really is, and then go from there. Yeah, I think she looks good. So stay tuned. Definitely the next episode I post will be me installing the center cowls and pretty much finishing the bike. I already did an oil change on it and and I did install the Vortex lowering springs. Nice. Those were a pain in the ass. I actually stripped this top bolt. Yeah, I stripped this bolt right here. pain in the ass to get. I had to remove the whole exhaust system, which was just uncalled for again too. Also need a adjustable kickstand, or I'm gonna see if I could probably find somebody that does some nice welding and then work with this one. I'm not too sure yet, because I know I think it's like a PSR adjustable kickstand. Those are like 100 something, which I just think is kind of ridiculous. But and then I'm definitely not trusting my bike on a China kickstand or anything else. I haven't seen no other ones neither, like for the around like 50, 60 price range. I haven't seen any of those, so which kind of sucks. I wasn't looking, you know, kickstand for 130, 150 is kind of crazy. Yeah. Definitely need a new chainstay too, and a rear tire. Front one's okay for right now. But yeah, I could definitely flat foot the bike now. I could like stand on it, no issues. Actually feels better. I haven't taken that out for a real ride yet, but from what I read on reviews and a whole record of the things people are on their CBRs, I'm gonna show the riders so you know some other people lowering the bike just so it looks good. So yeah, it's coming along nicely. Alright guys, thanks for watching.